Right, now we're going to start wiring the guitar up. There's a wiring kit with all the switches and the controls. I've got a nice little washer to go around the switch. Then it'll be the pickups with the knobs. And then after that I'll be mounting the roller bridge and then the whammy bar. Right, I've run the wires from the switch through into that pocket in behind there and put the washer on there. It's a pity that that's not a gold nut and washer there. I might have to look for one of those. And I've also put in the fittings, which this will be the roller bridge and then the tailpiece, which that'll help fit the whammy bar. Right, that's the two pickups. The wires fed through to that pocket there and then screwed on. Lovely. Next thing I'm going to do is get the old volume and tone control pots through and then put the knob covers on. Right, that's the volume and tone controls fitted. They look nice, don't they? That's the roller bridge fitted. Well, that's the whammy bar nearly fitted. I've drilled the ends here. Before I can finish fitting it, I have to make a little plate, which is shaped like this. These two holes there will line up with the two holes which the tailpiece would have been fitting on. And then the other two holes, that's drilled and tapped and that's drilled and tapped to coincide with these two holes there. So you haven't got to drill any more holes in the guitar body. You can buy those little plates, but they want £70 to £80 for them. Well, I'm blowed if I'm going to pay that for that. Something I can make myself. So I'll just go and order some brass. But she's looking good.